Hi friends, welcome to Jayashreebalan Balan-Learn Astrology. Today I am going to talk about Sun in the Rohini Nakshatra. Already we have completed up to Kritika Nakshatra. Before starting, if you want consultation or learning astrology, you can reach me through jayashreebalan@gmail.com. See, this is the fourth Nakshatra. Fourth Nakshatra Devata is Brahma. Brahma is the creator in this world. We are the whatever here, human being or animals, planets, plants, everything created by Brahma. And here, this is the earth sign. Earth sign only everything is existing over here. And it is a Taurus. Taurus, the owner of this planet, this Rashi is Venus. Venus we consider as female, and moon is exaltation. Here Rohini is also we consider as mother. So here only the mother carry the baby on their bones. Everything created by the female. Even if you see the animals, fish, whatever existing thing, that is the creator will be female. Okay, that is the main thing, main meaning of this nakshatra. And another thing is Brahma's main born Sabdarishis. One of the Sabdarishi, Atri is the Gotra for this nakshatra. Rohini nakshatra Gotra is Atri. Atri in the sense three. Three in the sense Trimurti, Shiva, Vishnu, Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. Like that we used to say three. So here it cut the three system and it started the four pada. Every vehicle is four. And then Brahma, the Devata of the Brahma is having four head. It considered as a four Veda. Ruk, Aju, Sama, Atharvana Veda. And the thing is Ayana, four Ayana. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha, Ayana. And then the what here the sign is fire sign, earth sign, air sign, and water sign. Another thing is four. The Kendra 1, 4, 7, and 10 we consider as the Vasudeva is the god. Kendra ki first we should pray Vasudeva. If Trine Lord 159 have a malefic planet, Bhadakavdipadi is sitting on the Trikona, then we can pray Vasudeva to get a help from the Lakshmi, because always Lakshmi will be sitting nearby Vishnu. And another thing, fourth pada, see, we have the fourth pada is the Shema. Shema in the sense we have to reach the destination in the proper way. For the destination reaching, our mind should be very crystal clear, because moon is the mind. We consider as a mind. So if the mind is in the working proper way, so we will reach the destination. So if even vehicle, our vehicle are having four wheels. Okay. So four wheel in the sense it should work, all the four wheels should be in the proper condition. That's why the car can be drove safe and sound. And Yuga, if you consider the Yuga, Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga, and Kali Yuga, everything, the four concepts started from here only. Okay. So, here it is the main point, the fourth moon, how much it is very important for the Shema of our living being, for creation of everything. Because moon is not only mind, it is the water element also. Here, we are having a lot of ocean, rivers, everything, because the earth sign, from the earth sign only, it has started, because Venus is also we consider water element and moon is also water. So, and more than that, if in our body, water is must be in the correct position, so that proportionate, so that we don't have any disease. So doctor used to say all the time, we used to drink a lot of water. So our body system, whole body system, and creation, very, very important is creation and recreation. Because we are only recreated. Our soul is again and again getting birth because of the moon only. Rasi system is the moon sign, the nakshatra system is starting from Rohini actually. We can consider like that. Because it is a recreation. We are burning and see, I can give so many examples. Christians and Muslims, non-vegetarian. We should not say any community in between. But see, non-vegetarian used to eat a lot of fish and animals. But it does not mean that they are eating so there is no fish in the pond. There is no animal in the air. Not like that. Everything is creating, never end. So then, never ends here. Creativity never ends over here. Even from the tree, also we are making furniture, rubbers, everything. Even for the plant, we are having some medicines. We are having flowers to do the puja and all. Everything used from here only. The creativity is from Taras. And creative, not only creativity and recreativity also. Recreation is also here. Okay. And so the native will be very emotional rather than the they actually mind should be very clear so that we are reaching the destination, but it is emotional. So mother is always emotionally attached with the children. So whenever they take the decision, they take with the what their heart says rather than the mind says. Okay. And then once they get angry, the angry won't subsidize very easily because it's the bull is the symbol of this Taras. The bull is the very strong, very stubborn nature. That is why sometimes they get angry. Their angry won't subsidize. At the same time, sacrifice. Mother sacrifice is something which cannot do by anybody. So sacrifice for their own people, they never think about once or twice. They are ready to do everything. That is the nature of them. And now we consider, I will talk about the pada wise because the sun, first pada comes into the moon itself. So moon in the sense they will be, moon is always tactics. Tactics, but they are wise. Okay. And their focus will be always the dress because they should be very big because Venus is also here. This is the Venus also. So they used to wear a very impressive. Their focus will be on their dress, how they dresses, and tactful also. But at the same time, they are wise people. They cannot see, and then they want to do the good thing to the society always. Our headache is their disease. And now we comes to the second pada, which it is the Mars effect comes into play. Mars in the sense, if you see from the Ashwini, Bharani, Kritika, Rohini, and Mrgashira is the what we can say, it is the obstruction, struggles like that. So they should not take a deep bath in the river or ocean. So because they have some the life threat maybe either because it's already the I said no. Even we can take care of our children also if their son is in Rohini Nakshatra, father too. But they are very impressive and very handsome, and they will do lot of business with them because Mars is the oil, liquid. Moon is the liquid, so Mars is the oil. So they will do the lot of business with the oil, refineries, and then we can say martial things, whatever it is the martial thing, good profit on it. They are actually impressive. That is why, but headache is the main problem for them. And then third word comes into the Rahu's effect. When the Rahu comes, yes, Rahu is comfortable in Taurus. So always here, Rahu is ready to help the society. I can give one example. Sonu Sood jumped into the public to help the poor people during the Corona period. He never thought about their public figure or not. He tried to help his level best to do the society. They ready to help the society, but not mind-minded, money-minded. You can say that money-minded people. They are very good to think success in their life actually. Then they constipation, water risk I already explained, and then constipation is the thing. And fourth pada, third pada I explained. Fourth pada is the Jupiter. Jupiter is the eighth lord as well over here. But Jupiter is the educational lord and Asura Guru Deva Guru. The Venus is the, this is the Venus house. So, Asura Guru. And then he is the Deva Guru. And Moon. Moon, this is the Nakshatra of Moon also. Sun is the fourth lord. So here, what happened? Immense name and fame. Rahu also immense name and fame. Here also immense name and fame. They will work for the government. Okay. And it's a good thing, but they are lot of, they listen to their spouse. They are ready to listen. Whatever they won't think about their own mind. They won't use their own mind. They actually listen to their spouse thing, because either the Venus is the spouse. That is why they are emotionally attached with their spouse. And then here again I can say poor eyesight. Poor eyesight. This is the second house from the Mesha. It is the second house. So they will have, because eighth lord. That is why eighth and 11th, eighth and 11th lord is. So maybe eye problem and mouth problem also they can face. So this much only I know about the sun in the Rohini Nakshatra. So I think you guys may understood very well. So many complaints are coming that I am not speaking properly. I spoke very slowly only. I think this time you might have guys don't have any issues with the thing, because I don't know English actually. If I'm trying to talk in English, that is why this sometimes problem comes in. So thanks for watching.